What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at Vrbo.com and I'm going to be showing you how can you change a price on your property on Vrbo, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, basically currently I do not have any listing, but I'm gonna explain to you every step of the way. So you can manage the rate. Basically your default base rate is entered when you first list your property on Vrbo. It is stored in the settings section of your account. So there is an overview option, so within your rate settings you can edit your base rate as well as add or edit a base discount. Within your rates calendar you can override your base to offer a different rate for a specific date or longer without impacting your default rate. You can apply any rate you adjust to the sum dates for following year. Adjustments you make to your rates don't apply to upcoming reservations that have already been accepted or confirmed. So how to change the price? Log into your account, select the listing you want to edit, and from there on select the calendar option. From there on select settings, then select base rates and discounts and enter your rates requirement and just basically select save. So note that changing the base rate won't affect days that have specific rate rules applied, which you'll have to do by hand also. If you want to change your base rate, log into your account, select the listing, go through calendar again, but now you select manage dates. Basically from there on in the rates and discount section, enter your rates requirement and just easily select save. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.